guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special video for you guys because this time I am going to be mock planning in my Hobonichi Weeks regular in Hedgehog. This is the 2018 one, and I still had a few pages here that I haven't used. I actually didn't use a lot of this. This was my designing planner, and that was the notes pages and all of it. Ta-da! Right, I think I have a flip through of this that I did for my Black Friday series, which is still gonna happen, but I'll make a separate announcement for that in my new releases video for my next release. So for this time, I am gonna be using Erin Condren size stickers. Well, I got printables from GLAM Planner. This is a pretty old one, and I'm going to show you how you can make a spread using this or using your Erin Condren stickers. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys were planning or is still planning in an Erin Condren, and you did have leftover stickers, and you guys, if you guys want to know or is thinking about using your Erin Condren planner stickers on here on Hobonichi Weeks, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Alright guys, so I'm sorry I don't have like legit Erin Condren stickers. I have an order from GLAM Planner, and then I'm moving countries, and this is international from the US, so there's just a lot of things going on. But good thing is that I had her printables. This is a pretty old one. I think this was circa 2017 maybe, I don't really know. So this one is Hollywood Glam, I believe. You can no longer get this, but you can get a lot of printables online, and they come, they're not very expensive. So if you just want to try it first, then it's a really good idea to get printables. This printable comes in 2 pages. I've already used some of them because I did, of course, practice before showing you guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick a blank box, or rather a full box, and this lip is just like saying, "Use me, I'm great." Okay. Alright, so the good thing about this is that you can actually plan the layout before you start. So that's looking good. And then I'm going to take one of these boxes. You know what? Why don't I try one of these smaller ones? Okay, put you behind. I mean, not a checklist box. So I'm going to pick the black one. Okay, am I cutting right? No, I'm not. By the way, this is in matte sticker paper. I'm just gonna cut it closer in a little bit. Just cut it off the sheet. Here you go. So what's gonna happen is that I have this box. I need a header. I'm gonna get a header, and then this is gonna be over there. Okay, I think I'm going to do a to-do. So I have a to-do here, and then it's gonna layer like this, and then I want a checklist box. I think I'm just gonna go with the black theme, and I need another header. Okay, if you don't have headers, you can always do it with washi, and that's fine as well. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that I'm just gonna stack this like this. So I picked schedule header. So the thing is that what I'm going to do, and I highly recommend this, is to start with this last line going up, and that will allow you to go as high as you want instead of things being too long down here. So that's a trick. So next I'm going to, oh, by the way, if you use the longer one, it fits perfect. So this is where the longer one cut off, and it actually fits perfectly over here, but since I've already used that, I'm going to use the smaller one. Alright, so this is the smaller one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it into itself so that it makes 2 strips, and then it's going to look like this. And then I'm just going to make another fold over here so that I know where it should be ending. Alright, so this is what I have, and then, so it's not perfect because I'm not very good at cutting. Okay, so I think we are ready to put down stickers for now. We're going to play with the rest in a little bit. So I'm going to put this sticker down here, and I'm probably going to put you in fast forward mode. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And it doesn't look like it is a Hobonichi Weeks spread yet, but we are gonna get there. But first, I wanted to put some stickers over here. Okay, I'm gonna use this sticker here at the bottom, maybe. No, too decorative, don't you think? What do you guys think? Okay, and then I'm gonna take this. Oh, upside down. Oh, okay, let's put something over there. No, I don't really know what to put there. Okay, no, that's fine. Ta-da! Alright, and then I'm gonna take a bunch of littles and then a little header. A little header over there. Oh, I'm gonna take off the birthday because there's... Okay, fine. Yeah, birthday is fine. I'm cheating because I didn't cut this up. I just let it be. And then I need another sticker. Alright. Okay. Which one do you guys like better? I think I like flower better. Then I have a little space there. Will you fit? If I take out the birthday, maybe you will fit. And then it's going to be too short. Let's see. That looks good. Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright. So this is what it should look like. So now we're going to fast forward mode once again while I peel off all the back bits of the sticker and lay them down here. Okay, we can do this, you guys. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is stunning. I'm so happy how it looks. Okay, so what's going to happen is that, or what has happened to my spread is that I used all the stickers at the edge because for a lot of sticker paper that's made for the Erin Condren, the sticker papers were or are a little bit on the thicker side. Now the Hobonichi Tomoe River paper is not very thick at all, and I kind of wish I put something over there, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take a flag, and while I'm doing that, let me go ahead and tell you my thoughts. The reason that I am not going to put any sticker on the edge is that it will just make my planner curl up if it gets too chunky. So that's the reasoning behind that. But otherwise, you can use it however you would like, but that's how I use my planner. It gets very difficult when you are using it and it's curling, especially at the back of the planner. So here I have a flag, and I will just cut off the end. And I kind of like it because when you're flipping through, you can feel when the sticker stops, so that's where the last of the pages are, and that's where you start. So I know I said I'm not going to put anything on the spine, but here I am putting things on the spine. Okay. Oh, cute. How cute is that? Okay. Just going to fold it over the edge. No, I just cut it off. There you go. So I do have a ton of stickers left from this printable. Oh my gosh. I was going to give Elle this. I didn't know this was in here. Oh, I've already sent out her package. So yeah, all right. Never mind. Next package from Australia probably. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and put you in another fast forward mode. I mean, I should have just put everything in fast forward, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to talk too. So now we are going to put pen to paper. This shouldn't take too long because there are only a few things that I'm going to do. So let's get started. am back, and this is what the page looks like. It's so good. Oh my gosh. All right. So let me go ahead and show you my practice page, and I did use it for quite some time. Of course, I did have my real Hobonichi. So this was last week, and this is something that you can also do, especially if you have like the teenies, and you can use them over here. Oh my gosh. And if you also have the deco sheets that she used to have. I know a lot of you who have been shopping Glam Planner stickers for quite some time will have those. Those are so good to use as well in a Hobonichi. So here, as I've mentioned, this looks much bigger because this was the right side bottom bar of an Erin Condren that I cut down to size. And then this is the same, and this is almost the same, but the thing is, here I didn't have the weekend sticker, so I wasn't able to use that. Maybe next plan with me when I use like a fresh new printable, if my orders from Glam Planner had reached my new address. So it's not really her fault, it's like my fault because I hadn't actually planned it out as well as I should have. Like, I should have sent them to, you know, a different address, whatever. But yeah, so that was my fault. So sorry about that, I'm not able to show you how a Hobonichi Weeks will look like using a physical kit. But if you do have printable stickers, then this is something you can do. So here I did use a header. I didn't use a header over there. Instead, I used a flag. And it's pretty much the same. So I have a this week box, a work box. I have a separate weekend because my weekends like tend to be catching up on Erin's list, and then I did have littles. So this is mostly littles for this for the weekdays, and then I have a separate to do over here. So just major to dos, and then I have a running to do list as well as the day go on, like a bullet journal section, I guess. So as you can see, there's so many sections that you can do for your Hobonichi spread. You can go all out. So for this week, instead of using a what's this, checklist box on both of these, I just used like a regular checklist flag. But I still had that deco over there. And then to do schedule, checklist box, and then the bottom bar, you've seen me do that. This is my daily section. I'm probably going to put extra to-dos over here, and then events go on here. So someone's birthday, going to dinner, etc., will go over here. And then I have extra boxes here, happy mail maybe, or maybe something is due, pay bank, pay bills, payday. Okay, all those go in here so that when I flip through my pages, I know exactly, so when was the last time I did that? When did I do this? Like those things that you should, that you will need to know in the future, you can put over here so that it's easy to find them. And then I have a littles here, someone's birthday, la 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 la. Okay, and then I have an extra box here for an extra little. Maybe I bought a gift for someone's birthday. Mock plan with me are super fun. Okay, and then here at the bottom I have a decorative box. Now the good thing about for here is that you can always use other deco stickers. Like, let me grab one. So Glam Planner also has foiled stickers that are coats. You should grab those. Like, I highly recommend it because it's so versatile and you can use it for any spread at all, even just the what's that dots thing, the confetti ones, dots thing. Okay, so I have a glitter one here. This isn't Glam Planner because, as I've said, my happy mail hadn't arrived because I had not, you know, planned it quite as well as I should. So it says here, it's a party, and look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with this spread. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. Like, in my head it was okay, but looking at it now, it's so good. Okay, I wish I was using this for realsies. But I will be doing this like once a month. So a week in a month, I will be using a Glam Planner kit that is for the Erin Condren. You can use any Erin Condren kit that you have. And you can watch how I build my page. So this is just one of the options. So option, another option. All right. So that's a Hobonichi hack. If you are planning to use this and you have some questions about it, and let me know. Just let me know what you think about this spread. Leave a comment down below. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is from GLAM Planner. This is no longer available, but I'm pretty sure you have some printable stickers lying around, and they're not very expensive. So you can just grab one from Etsy if you just want to play around with your pages. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, especially for Hobonichi Books, Hobonichi Weeks, and Cousin for this year. If you like, you can also follow our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. Also, I will leave GLAM Planner's links down below. If you want to grab her stickers in the future, especially, you should grab it now, because she changed her shipping policy when she moved into glamplanner.com. She has her own website. Yay! It's so much easier now because everything is in one place, and you can combine orders like teenies and other stuff with the kits. You should check it out. And if you are going to be purchasing, you should purchase now so we can plan together. Yay! Yay! And you can use my code. It's PAU15 for 15% off your order. And also you get, like, what's that called? Like Bop rewards things. Amazing. So make sure to check out her website. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.